On today's video, we'll be working on a leaky dishwasher. Here, if you look at the inside of the dishwasher, there is a seal that goes around the door. What happens over time is, you can see all of this deposit that starts to build up, and this restricts the seal from doing its proper job and keeping the water inside of the dishwasher. Right now we have two options. We can either replace the seal, or we can attempt to clean the seal and to remove as much of the contamination as possible. You can take a pair of needle nose, or if you're able to, just kind of remove the seal, and we'll do this all the way around the door. What we want to do is we want to clean the seal. Here you can see I'm barely just rubbing it with my hands, and it's removing all of that buildup. You may have to take some effort in doing this. You can see here I am taking a rag, and I'm just gently kind of allowing the rag to clean the exterior of the seal. Don't pull on it too much, and you don't want to overstretch it, so just very gently I'm working the rag across it, just trying to remove any of the film deposit that's on there. Now that we cleaned our seal, our gasket, we're going to work it back in the way we found it. I would suggest before doing that, you can see there's a little bit of film here in the corners and on the bottom, so you want to remove that. You don't want it to recontaminate your gasket, your seal. Now we're going to work our seal back in. Just make sure when you're putting your seal back that you are even on both corners. We're going to clean up the water, and then we're going to run another complete cycle. When you're running your dishwasher, you want to make sure when you're checking for leaks that you're checking it during the stage when the jets or the sprayers are in full force. So you can definitely hear the sprayers are going off. Here, I'm just going to wait and see if there's any leaks or any water. See that we do not have any signs of water leaking. If this video was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.